In this video, we will learn to set up the notification email for single business and multiple businesses. Click on Settings icon. Select the notification settings. Here you can check options to set up the time zone, time at which you wish to get emails, and other option of recurring invoice, summary report, payment reminders, and stock alert options. I am turning off the daily, weekly, and monthly summary report as I do not want to receive these emails. Click on Save button to apply the changes. You'll get a notification of setting updated. If a user has multiple businesses, then they need to change the notification settings for each of their business individually. As I have multiple business, I'll have to change the settings for the other business. Here, I made the changes for the company Skyline Motors. Now I will switch to Wings to change the settings there. Click on Settings icon and select the notification settings. Here you can check that the summary report for the daily, weekly, and monthly are still on. I'll have to turn it off for this company too, or I'll still get these emails. Now, I have the option turned off for both the companies and would not receive these emails unless they are enabled again.
If you still have any query, please reach out to us on support@mooninvoice.com.